Okay, so this says we want to find the measure of a missing angle. This is a quadrilateral, and let me say what I said a minute ago. That yesterday we had triangles, and triangles have three sides, and those angles added up to 180 degrees. That's what I have written here. But today we're going to look at problems where we have four-sided figures, and we call them quadrilaterals. I hope I spelled that right. Quad as in four. And our angles don't add up to 180, but 360 when we have four sides. We're going to do something similar to what we did yesterday. We're going to write an equation and we're going to solve it. But in a problem like this, if I could move this around, in a problem like this, we're going to have four things that we add up. And those four things, by the way, they use a question mark here. I'm going to change that question mark to a letter. Let's call it X. You can use any letter you want. So it's X that we want to find. We have a question mark there. So the four things that we want to add up in this problem are 93, 123 degrees. I guess I should put a degree symbol there, maybe a little bit smaller. So 93 degrees plus 123 degrees plus 88 degrees plus this unknown value, we'll call it X, and that doesn't equal 180 but 360 degrees. Okay, so once we write this equation, it's not hard to solve. We're just going to add up those three. Let me take a second to do that. Plus 123 plus 88. So those three add up to 304. If we add all these three like terms, they add up to 304 degrees, plus X, okay, plus X is equal to 360. I run out of room here, but what we're going to do is subtract 304 from both sides. So if I could move that down, I think that would be better. Okay. Move this equation down here. So we're going to subtract 304 from both sides of this equation. 304 degrees. 304 from this side. I forgot my degree symbol here. And 304 from this side of the equation. Those will simplify, and the unknown, the X, they have a question mark again. 360 minus 304, I think it's 56 degrees, 56 degrees. So our answer here, this question mark, this unknown angle, is 56 degrees. So if we add all four of those up, we will get 360. Very similar to what we did yesterday, just one more term to add is all.